Question 1. Which of the following are the types of vinegar? The correct answer is option D all. Rice wine vinegar, sherry vinegar and coconut vinegar are the types of vinegar. Question 2. Which of the following vinegar is used only for pickling? The correct answer is option B. Distilled vinegar is only used for pickling. Question 3. Which of the following vinegar is made of white Tribano grapes? The correct answer is option C. Balsamic vinegar. Question 4. Cane vinegar is made from? The correct answer is option A. Fermented sugar cane. Question 5. Which acid is present in vinegar? The correct answer is option C. Acetic acid is present in vinegar. Question 6. Which of the following compound is used for production of vinegar? The correct answer is option D. Sugar is used for the production of vinegar. Question 7. Which of the following are the most favorable temperature for the growth of yeast? The correct answer is option B. 25 to 27 is the most favorable temperature for the growth of yeast. Question 8. What is the use of vinegar? The correct answer is option D all. Useful in the prevention of metabolic syndrome, use as a household cleaning agent and use in food preparation. Question 9. Which of the following sentences are true about acetic acid bacteria? The correct answer is option D all. It is a gram-negative bacteria. They have ability to spoil wine and they require aerobic metabolism with oxygen. Question 10. What is the criteria for acetic acid bacteria for the production of wine? The correct answer is option D all. It can tolerate high concentration of acetic acid, not over oxidized acetic acid and high yield in terms of acetic acid. Question 11. Which of the following method is used for the production of vinegar? The correct answer is option D all. The Ohlins method, the trickling method and submerged fermentation, which are the method used for production of vinegar. Question 12. Which of the following are the main step of wine production? The correct answer is option D all. Viticulture, harvesting and fermentation are the main step of wine production. Question 13. Which of the following fruit is used for making wine? The correct answer is option D all. Blueberry, grapes, apple are used for the making of wine. Question 40. Enology is the study of. The correct answer is option B. Wine. Enology is the study of wine. Question 50. Which of the following wine contain low alcohol and no sugar? The correct answer is option C. Table wine, which contain low alcohol or no sugar. Question 16. Which of the following acids are present in grape juice? The correct answer is option B. Malic acid is present in grape juice. Question 17. The crushed grapes are known as. The correct answer is option C. Must. Question 18. Rice beer or wine of India is known as. The correct answer is option C. Shanti. 90. How many days required for complete fermentation of red wine? The correct answer is option D. 1 to 3 days required for the complete fermentation of red wine. 20. What is the use of hydrometer? The correct answer is option A. Measure the water the correct answer is option B. Measure the grape sugar. 21. Which of the following microorganisms used for the fermentation of grapes? The correct answer is option B. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used for the fermentation of grapes. 22. Volatile acidity produced by. The correct answer is option C. Acetobacter is produce volatile acidity. 23. Which of the following microorganisms are responsible for spoilage of wine? The correct answer is option D. All. Bacteria, molds, wild yeast are the microorganisms which responsible for spoilage of wine. Question 40. Wine yeast is a option B is resistant to sulfur dioxide. 25. Brewing is the correct answer is option B. Production of beer. 26. Red wine is manufactured by. The correct answer is option A. Fermentation of grapes with skin. 27. Ropiness in wine caused by. The correct answer is Leuconostoc mesenteroides. 28. Rum is manufactured from. The correct answer is option C. Sugar cane. 29. Which of the following is the Baker's yeast? The correct answer is option A. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is the Baker's yeast. 30. Which of the following wine is free from fermented sugar? The correct answer is option B. Dry wine is the free from fermented sugar.